It's a beautiful Saturday. What better day? Get on the bike. I'm heading into town because there's a street bazaar on in town today. This weather is gorgeous. Turns out things had just started heating up. Plenty of people, stalls setting up, entertainment for the kids, and best of all, bikes and cars. Check out this gorgeous Harley that I made of my notes. Love that sissy bar. Of course, it'd be rude not to check out the car. Beautiful paint job. And the matching caravan. I'd had enough, and I wanted to hit the road again, take advantage of this beautiful weather. I headed out to Banaka Bend, towards the weir. It's a nice little road, has a few curves in it, but mainly, I love riding out here because there's hardly any traffic. This is Banaka Bend Campground. It's really close to home, so I tend not to camp here, but I thought I'd take a look and see how many other campers were about. There are no facilities at this campground, so you have to be self-sufficient, toilets included. There was a few cars at the boat ramp, but only a couple of campers, which was surprising on a day like this. Check out that river. Back on the road again, enjoying the fresh air. Gosh, it's nice to be on the bike. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed my little Saturday jaunt as much as I did. Be kind to one another. Keep the shiny side up, and I'll see you next time.